it's ready.
Here we will today talk about our AI hosting solutions and how Huawei has built it. We Hosteur are a Franco-Swiss cloud service providers specialized in providing complete or hybrid hosting solutions. For over 20 years now, we have witnessed several evolutions of hosting service in Europe. Since the beginning of the internet era, we are providing solutions throughout such periods like e-commerce, blogs, and all web contents. And after that, their solution inside virtualization from then VMware and now Huawei DCS solution. Cloud services like PaaS and now SaaS. In 2019, we became certified AWS data hosting providers for their data to meet obligations on ensuring securities and organization for this IoT data. Hosteur is a small team that grows with talent along its history, to remain at the forefront of its field. Capable of providing necessary edge technologies while maintaining agility, efficiencies, and innovation. The figure of adoptions in AI technology worldwide shows that our position is changed once again. Certain concepts regarding our audience have evolved, and we must be the solution to address the new challenges in the sector. Rather than just being a solution integrator, we must first understand this text and explain the reality of technologies and anticipate the risk associated with it. We are fortunate to meet experts, users, and decision makers who are both enthusiastic and fearful of missing out. The number of projects is increasing. Of our own models, we can have one or two AI subjects. One or two AI subjects per week, ranging from very basic projects to much more complex ones. Here, we are a few client cases we are working on. In healthcare, mainly, we work on the consortiums with partners to implement a platform for making specialized models available to offer AI services to practitioners. This includes diagnostic aids, medical imaging analysis, administrative assistance, and more. We also work on more traditional sectors such as marketing, customer support, content management, and much more. Those projects involving intelligent agents, either as chatbots or in-app process workflow using LLMs, computer visions, or predictive models. Yes, or PaaS solutions could be an answer on that. But we want to be able to respond with more innovative and simplified solutions. Also, one important aspect of the majority of our client requests in France is data governance. So we need to address this as well. The challenge was to manage resources effectively, provide basic and complex services, but in the clear and unified manner. Here is our vision. AiFlow is a platform that can be deployed in public, dedicated, or hybrid modes. It supports multi-services from pure AI services, and classic services, application modules, and any other customizable services. It offers also multi-instances for scalability and resilience. And it supports multi-AI models. By executing AI models in one or many GPUs, being compatible with the market standards such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Additionally, we can also execute some other workloads like R in math analysis or Spark in data processing. How does AiFlow address a use case like we discussed earlier? Well, I mentioned a case that we're addressing with our partners on specific need for digital patient records. French governments have asked technological medical actors to work on proposals to offer powerful and functional AI tools to aid healthcare professionals. Our job was to provide a platform capable to address it. AiFlow emerged from these reflections, aiming to provide reliable, flexible, controlled, high-performing platform to develop tools for such projects. Firstly, offering data scientists and research laboratory a complete machine learning services for their process, and produce models using the ML Workbench module. Secondly, managing the publication of those models once they're produced. Important aspects are publication tools to catalog models and usages, code quality and security to guarantee the best trust levels for data, and model identification system to avoid model duplication and theft. This model then has offered as an application to healthcare professionals. We called it Inference App. Simple to use and executed only on the platform to always ensure the best level of confidentiality. Depending on each model usage, every right holders are remunerated. These architectures can be also duplicated and adjusted with features and additional removal necessary for all other use cases. Now, in other contexts, we have produced AiFlow open platform, usable by everyone with similar consent. We find ML Workbench and Inference App modules in a more open form, allow users to produce and execute their workloads similarly, or use already published apps like chatbot system, AI engine, API endpoints, and more. Additionally, we have the AI SaaS modules, which like OpenAI or Mistral AI, the API ports of them. Also, all of our clients benefit from shared AI resources to access widely open LLMs models at a competitive cost. AiFlow Open Platform is a great sandbox for all emerging and advanced AI projects. Multi-tenancy capable and dedicated resources based on usage to respond to all user cases for all sectors. Here is a brief use case of open platform and how efforts are used in the concrete application projects. In example, the goal is to allow AI to facilitate administrative personnel work in managing justification sent to validate application files for an estate company just here. The client wants to ensure that user-provided documents meet expectation and are coherent. Inference App is used in two modules. One to address the computer vision models to read and analyze the document in less than seconds. and another for an augmented conversational agent to perform complex search in the document base. Now, administrative personnel have two new tools in their own application to assist them and simplify recurring tasks, prevent errors, accelerate file processing. In this case, the client chooses only AI workloads inside AiFlow, but Influence app is designed to encapsulate much more. Indeed, Influence app can be used with GPUs, but also with CPUs. We wanted a real scalable and high-performance platform. So we built AiFlow on top of Kubernetes on Huawei TCS solution. Indeed, the ability to manage resources, build and implementation models as desired, be open to all containerization technologies, along with Huawei tools for managing VMs and storage, allows us to choose Kubernetes as the default choice. Based on our expertise to maintaining and managing those platforms, we naturally adopt it. Today's matures and reliable compatibility with NVIDIA and AMD GPUs in the container universe allows us to focus on resource servicing and optimization, rather than deploying management tools and many SDK. The massive usage on containerization sectors in AI, from development to production being reality, we significantly reduce future resource integration constraints by choosing this kind of technology. Now, let's discuss the core of the platform, focusing on machine learning with ML language. The main challenges here are about resources and ephemeral resources despite the financial application, given the current GPUs costs. However, technical choices are quite limited for them. On data sides, it's a very different story. Like Mr. Meyer said before, everyone knows that the data storage, processing, and growth are a real challenge here. After working with Huawei on our block storage solution and choose to continue our partnership with them on object storages, we have two types. We have two types of needs: capacities and performance. I remember last year, in 2023, we discovered the Pacific Range in IDI. And now, object storage services we have are based on this product line. 1922 for full flash and Rocky support for ensuring learning performance, multi-protocols and multi-tenancies, and 9546 for provide identity for big data and all data lake services. Our two strengths in collaborating with Huawei lies on integrated Pacifics or Dorado into hosted services, offering the best on-demand storage technologies. With built-in multi-tenancies, crucial in healthcare, and proven reliability after years of usage, we have the ability to achieve great things on solid foundation. Telling about tomorrow, we have several use cases using RAG techniques with LLM to produce agents without retraining processes. Currently, we use open source projects that are functional, but not too much optimal for the large datasets. We aim to build a service in AiFlow to offer this at scale. For this purpose, we consider the A800 project a significant part of the solution. Additionally, we wish to innovate a unique approach to data disclosure within these agents, working on an exciting project on this area. Hosteur always insists on innovation. By choosing Huawei storage, which also insists on innovation, make us really confident for the future. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for Huawei to be have us here presenting our ideas and expertise. Merci.
Thank you, Florent, for sharing your valuable experience.